Hey friends, I want to share a basic recipe that you can use to turn any boxed cake mix into a absolutely taste like scratch dessert. Start with a boxed cake mix. Today I'm going to use Funfetti. Then you add a box of pudding. The pudding that I typically add is either vanilla or cheesecake. If you're doing a chocolate version of this, you would do chocolate pudding. Okay, you're gonna have sugar, eggs, sour cream, oil, and water. First, you're just gonna put your wet ingredients in. Then you're just going to put your cake mix, add your dried pudding. Now, I add almond extract. Now, we're going to fold in the sour cream. This is going to add richness, make it more moist. Now, I'm gonna add some sprinkles. Now, this recipe will make one regular size Bundt or two minis, but you want to get every bit of the surface. Otherwise, this cake, because it's so moist, will stick. So anyway, I'm gonna divide the batter into the pans, put it in the oven, and be back to show you the final result. Okay, the cakes are done. And now I'm going to glaze them. Glaze could not be simpler. It's basically powdered sugar, water with almond extract, and it will harden almost like the glaze on a donut. The recipe is on Family Savvy, and I hope that this was helpful and you have a fabulous rest of your day.